Welcome back to another video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm gonna be going into my orange halo eyeshadow tutorial, and as you can see, I already did my eyebrows with this LA Girl brow pomade in the shade Soft Black, and I conceal those with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and go into this tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoy it. So first I'm gonna be using this Morphe 350 Natural palette. I'm gonna be going in with this orange shade, and I'm gonna buff those out on my inner corner and my outer corner. Going in with this shade, I'm going to just be darkening up that blend, and I'm just going to be repeating the same process. Now I'm just going to be going back in with that orange to blend out that dark shade and just make it show up a little more. And I'm just going to be going back in with that dark brown color once again to darken it back up. I'm literally just repeating the same process that I just did. So now I'm just going to be putting down some concealer in the middle of my lid so that I can pat down this bright orange pigment. For that, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. So now I'm just going to be patting down the orange pigment onto the concealer in the middle of my eyelid. So before I pat down that loose orange pigment, I'm just going to be spraying my brush with some primer just so that it can stick to the pigment. So bright, oh my gosh, I'm in love. So just gonna be patting that down on my eyelid as I just explained. After we blend that out, I'm just going to be repeating the same process with my lash line and adding on some lashes. I'm going to be using these lashes. I'll leave a link in the description, and I'm just going to be putting those onto my eyelids. So now that I'm back, I'm literally just going to be packing on some really intense highlight. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow powder in the shade Awesome Blossom. I don't know if it's focusing, but yeah, hopefully it did. Anyways, I'm just going to be using my fluffy brush and putting it on top of the highlight that I kind of already applied off camera. Honestly, if you want my opinion on it, for doing like makeup on camera and stuff, using intense highlight really just brings attention to your photos. Of course, I would never wear like this much highlight out in public, but on cameras, like, it just shows up really good. Like when you take makeup photos and stuff, I recommend packing on the highlight. Just make sure that like it doesn't look too bad, like it doesn't look too out of there. You don't want to use half of a product for an Instagram picture, so just be careful. Going in with this brown lip liner, and I'm gonna be using this Victoria's Secret color gloss in the shade Undressed. It's kind of like a nude shade basically. So here is the final look. As you can see, everything is glowing, everything is bright, everything is glossy. Honestly, I just love this look so much. But I'm going to be adding in some close-ups as usual, and also this is just an announcement that I'm going to be making different videos now other than tutorials, because they've been getting a little repetitive to me. I don't know if they've been getting repetitive to you, but yeah, no.
So,
in the works, I'm probably going to be showing you guys like how I put on my foundation and how I do everything that I do off camera. I'm eventually gonna post on here, and as well as probably like a get ready with me or something. But once I get it figured out, we are gonna be on a roll. But anyways, now just enjoy these beautiful close-ups that I'm gonna add in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.